Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Zoom Workplace camera not working problem step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. If your camera is not working, click the Video button at the bottom of the meeting window. If Zoom cannot detect a camera, the video may remain off or display a camera error message. Next, click the small arrow next to the video button and check the camera list. Make sure the correct camera is selected. Then click Video Settings and check the camera section. If no camera appears in the list, Zoom is not detecting a camera connected to your computer. In my case, my computer does not have a camera connected, so Zoom cannot turn on the video. If you're using a webcam, make sure it is properly connected to the computer. You can also close other apps that may be using the camera, such as Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or other video apps. Restart Zoom Workplace after connecting the camera. If the problem continues, update Zoom Workplace to the latest version and check the Windows camera privacy settings. Go to Windows Settings, open Privacy and Security, select Camera, and make sure camera access is enabled for Zoom. Finally, restart your computer and open Zoom Workplace again. That's how you can fix the Zoom Workplace camera not working problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.